So in subtraction, let me give you little more reminder what you learned the last year. Okay, here from this number we are going to subtract. When you look at this number, you can see this. This is a bigger number and this is a smaller number. So we can minus only from the bigger number to the smaller number. We cannot minus from smaller number to the bigger number. Only we can minus big number. From big number you can minus the smaller number. So always remember, big number must be first and the small number must be second to minus. So when you minus this, the number, the bigger number, no, that is called the minuend. The bigger number from which we are minusing, that is called minuend. From the big number from which we are minusing, that is called minuend. And the number which is subtracted, that is called the subtrahend. The smaller number, that is called the subtrahend. The smaller number is called the subtrahend. Now let us minus. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. So 213. So this is the answer. So this answer is called the difference. This answer is called the difference. So always remember, the bigger number is the minuend, the smaller number is the subtrahend, and the answer is the difference. Okay, let me give now regrouping. Subtraction by regrouping. Regrouping, otherwise this is called another word, borrowing. So let me give an example. So this now we have to minus. So let's minus here. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. But here you see, this is a small number, this is a big number. You cannot minus. So when you cannot minus, what you have to do? You have to borrow from here. From here you will borrow 1. So here already 9 thousands are there. From here you will get 1. So if you, from 9 if you give 1, 8 will remain here. 8 will remain here and 1 will come here. So that 1 when it comes here, this will become 14. That 1 when it comes here, this will become 14. Now 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, it is 6. 8 minus 5, 3. So this is called borrowing. When you cannot minus, you borrow from the next digit and you carry to the digit where you are supposed to borrow. So this is called regrouping or borrowing. Now to minus 0. So how to minus if there is a 0? Let me give an example. From 8,500 you have to minus 1,047. This you have to minus. Here you see 0 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So you cannot borrow. Since you cannot borrow, you cannot minus. So since you cannot minus, what you will do? You have to borrow. So to borrow here also nothing is there. 0 means there is nothing. So what you will do? You will borrow from the next digit. So if you borrow from here, from 5, you will give 1. So here it will be 4. So that 1 will be given here. You cannot jump to another digit. You can give only to the next digit. From one digit you can give to the next digit. You cannot give to the next, after the second digit you cannot give. So here only you will give. So this will become 10. So here you will get 10 now. So from this 10 now you will borrow here 1. So here 10 is there. So 1 if you give, this will become 9 and here it will be 10. So after getting here 1 you will get 10. Then from this 10 you will borrow here 1. So this becomes 9. Since from 10 1 is given, so 9 is becoming. And this will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Now 4 minus 0. So from 0, 0 is small. You cannot minus 4. 4 is bigger. But now 4 is bigger, 0 is small. So you can minus since 4 is on the top. So 4 minus 0, if you minus any number, if you minus 0 from any number, you will get the same number only is the answer. So it will be 4. 8 minus 1, 7. So remember this, I want to remind you here. From 0 you cannot minus any number, so you will borrow. But from any number you can minus 0. From any number you can minus 0, you will get the same number only is the answer. So these two you keep in mind. From 0 you cannot minus, you will borrow. But from any number you can minus 0, you will get the same number only is the answer. So these 2 points I want to make it clear here. So remember carefully. Now let me give an example from exercise. It is on page number 94, exercise 3.1. The fourth sum it is given. Subtract the sum of 32,273 and 45,600 from 1 lakh. See here, subtract is given, sum is given. Both are opposite. Subtract means minus, sum means plus. And here 3 numbers are given. So you may confuse now which one to plus and which one to minus. So remember here, sum of this number and this number. That means you have to find the total of this number. These two you have to add it. So let's add the two. Let's find the sum first. 32,273 plus 45,600. So after sum, which two numbers are given? That two or three numbers is given, means that you add it now. This and is the after and the last number will be given. So remember that and add it now. 3 plus 0 3, 7 plus 0 7, 2 plus 6 8, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 4 7. So this is the sum. So this one. Subtract from 1 lakh. From 1 lakh. When this word comes, subtract and this word comes means remember, after this word, next what number is given, that only you have to write first. Since it is given sum, don't write this number first and don't write this one, and you should not minus. If from is given, after from which number is given, that you have to write first. So here 1 lakh is given, that only you will write first. So from here, so here we say 2 plus 6 8. Okay, so after from what number is given, that you write first, then you write the sum. Sum is here, so that you write it. Arrange the digits in order. This is 1 lakh, but this is 77,000. So this is in thousands period. Here is no lakh, so in lakh period don't write anything. 8 7 3. So if you are confused from like this, also you can arrange 3 7 8 7 7. That way you can arrange the digits in order and you can minus. So let's minus here. They have asked you to find the. They are asked you to subtract. So let's minus. See here, 3 you cannot minus, 0 is there, 0 0 0 you cannot minus. So from this 1 only you have to give to now each digit and you will borrow, you will minus. Okay. So from 1 if you borrow, from here you can give only to the next digit. You cannot give here, only you can give here. So from 1 if you give here, this will become 10. And this now nothing is there, so this will become 0. Now from this 10 you will give 1 here. So here it will be 9 and this will be 10. Again from this 10 you will give here 1. So this will be 9 and here it will be 10. Again from this 10, 1 you will give here. So it will become 9 and here 1 is given, so 9 will remain. So from here 1 you will give, so 9 will remain and this will become 10. So now all the digits got the number. So now you can minus 10 minus 3, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. And here 0 is there, so 0 no need to do anything. So the answer is 22,127. So remember this way, and borrowing, you be careful when you borrow when 0 is there. Okay, and do it.